Hi, I'm Naya Lee, and I'm going to show you how I layer my iron-on vinyl. First, I'm going to design in Cricut Design Space, and then I will send it to Make It so it can go to the machine, and all of the mats will come up after I select on the mat. And now I have iron-on skin tone. So I just take my true knife blade, I open it up, and then I'm able to take out all of the new skin tone colors. There are 10 shades of beauty in here. And then I take the one that I'm going to use, I lay it on the mat, shiny side down, and I use my brayer in order to lay it flat on the mat so there's no bubbles. And after I use my brayer, it is time to load into the Cricut machine and get to cutting. So after it's finished cutting, I remove it from the mat and I use my metal ruler, my true knife blade, and I cut off the extra for scraps, and then I get to weeding. It is super easy to weed. It just comes right off. And then I put the first layer down on the auto press, and then when it's done, I wait until it cools off, and then I peel it. After I'm finished peeling it, I then put down the next layer. And then when I put the next layer down, I make sure I have the protective sheet over it so it does not melt. And then at the last part, I lay down the glitter. So once I have everything down, I'm going to do one final press and put the Teflon sheet over it. And look how beautiful it turns out. Thank you for watching. This is Naya Lee. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.